Hey guys, I'm coming to you from Disney Springs here in Orlando, Florida. We are, as you can see behind me, we're gonna go have lunch at Blaze Pizza. It's a place we've eaten at several times. If you're at Disney Springs, it's a good way to get a cheap lunch compared to theme park prices, I guess. So let's go have some lunch and let's go make some pizzas. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the glare that's on here, but it says this was from the Cypress log in 2013. Wow, that's huge. But what am I going to get on my pizza? Those are good. German drink. Good tip, make sure you download the Blaze app because it does work here even at Disney Springs, and you will earn yourself stuff if you come here often enough. We've gotten free pizzas a couple of times over the years. So normally when it's a little busier they give you like a little thing like when you're waiting for a table at a place, and then it vibrates and lights up and then you go pick up your pizza. Since it's a little slower right now, they're actually just calling out names. So we're here at lunchtime during the week, so waiting for our pizza.
They also have these finishes. The pesto drizzle is delicious.
And a tip too, when they call you to go pick up your pizza, you can ask for Parmesan, and they'll give you extra packs of Parmesan so you can bust them open and pour them on your pizza.
What all did you get on your pizza?
So I did a build your own pizza, and I got it with the classic red sauce, and then I got it with ham, pepperoni, and bacon, green pepper, and black olive. When you do a build your own, you can get as many toppings as you like, and it's the same exact price. It's a very good deal if you like a lot of toppings.
Exactly. If you're just into cheese pizza, don't get a build your own. But so I ended up getting, I actually do it a little differently. I asked them to mix the Alfredo sauce with the garlic pesto that they have. So they do have options. They have at least 4 sauces, and they have a bunch of different crusts that I showed you. They're cauliflower and a keto crust. So I believe one of them is gluten-free. Also on mine I just got the cheese, the mozzarella, Parmesan, green and red peppers, bacon, ham, and pepperoni. And then at the end I did do one of those drizzles that I showed you of pesto. So looks delicious. We love it, right? Don't you love this pizza? She always wants to steal my pizza more than Daddy's, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. So we're gonna dig in and let you guys know what we think.
All right, so how's your...
Took my first bite already. It's delicious.
Pesto Alfredo.
Oh my god.
You all right over there?
I don't care.
Good stuff?
Delicious.
What about you?
It's very thin. It's very thin, as you can see, but I like that because with all the ingredients and stuff, it works out. It's good.
What about you?
She hasn't tried it yet.
All right, which one are you trying?
Daddy's.
Okay, my pizza first. doing?
Delicious.
It's good stuff?
Now I'm trying mommy.
Oh, okay, now you're gonna try that one. How is it? Which one's better?
Mommy's.
Pesto one? So I may have already had a bite before I remembered to record. Let me have another bite here. Blaze is good pizza. If you're at Disney Springs, even if you're not, because they have Blaze pizzas all throughout the country. We actually ate one in Vancouver in Canada a few years ago.
Oh man, they did such a good job there too.
Yeah, the one in Vancouver was really good. Probably
What
the
I
best
like
one
is
we've
that
been
you
to.
can get your own style. Everybody can get what they like.
Yeah, exactly.
So it ends up being delicious. You might take some home, but it's worth it.
Yeah, and the prices at the one here at Disney Springs are just slightly higher than the ones like if you were in Winter Park, Florida or Orlando.
The two pizzas were like $23.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
so-
it's a little pricey, but for theme park, for Disney, it's actually not that bad of a deal at all.
And all
they
three of
leave
us
you
can
full.
share it for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was very filling. Alright, so we finished eating here at Blaze. Did fairly well. Ate most of the pizza. It was very good as always. Like I said, if you're in the Disney Springs area, come check this place out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like doing food reviews, especially in the Disney area, I know that's helpful for everyone that's watching. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, hit that button down there, subscribe. Leave us a comment down below. We try to answer each and every one of them. And we will see you soon.